In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use SQL inside Spark for data analysis. So if you are familiar with SQL, you can use your skills here to conduct data analysis. First, we need to register a temporary table. So this temporary table is going to be used as a table here in Spark for SQL queries. I'm typing here df, this is our original data frame, dot register temp table between parentheses and quotation cells. This is the template table that we are going to create here. So df.register temp table cells the name of the table. After that, I'm going to create a new query. I will call this query q1 equal spark.sql between parentheses and quotation here where you can type your SQL code. To query all the data from your table, you just need to type select star to get all data that you have, or columns and rows from cells. This is the name of the table. And after Q1 is created, you need to show this Q1 inside Spark. So let's run this cell. And as you see here, we got all the data. So congratulations, now you learned how to use your SQL skills inside PySpark in Python. So you retrieve all your data. And here we are going to create another query. We call this query Q2 or query 2 equal Spark. And again, we need to type our SQL query here. So you may put quotation or double quotation, doesn't matter here, but keep in mind, if you are going to use a single quotation inside your SQL statement, keep in mind to use double quotation. That's how Spark or Python can recognize between the outside and inside quotations. Between double quotations, select region, comma, total sales, comma, order date. We need to obtain these three columns from cells where region equal Europe. So because we have to use single quotation here, we replaced the single quotation here by or with double quotations. And that's to distinguish between what's inside the query, what are the whole query. So let's now run this query, and there we go. Now you see we retrieve all the data where region is Europe. So we got total sales and order date for Europe.